In this project, you'll create a web page that allows the user to get the current weather information for any place in the United States. They'll be able to use either a zip code or a city and state. So let me give you an example of what it will look like. So I'm going to put in my zip code 30043 and press the submit button. And there you can see I've retrieved the current weather for Gwinnett County, Georgia. And that's what it's like here today. I can also put in a city, Lawrenceville, comma, GA, Georgia, and I can get the weather for the city that is nearest to my zip code. And the data is a little bit different depending on which one I used. But what's really going on here is that we're sending a request off to another server. Our program isn't really going to know anything about the current weather, but we're going to be able to get that information from another server using something called an application programming interface, or API. APIs are how web pages get information from other servers all the time. The server tells you what you can do through the API and how you should expect to receive the data. And then your application can interpret the data and do whatever it wants with it. So we're going to make actually two requests through that API. We're first going to make what's called a geocode request. And that's going to turn either the city and the state or the zip code into a latitude and a longitude. Then we're going to send the latitude and the longitude to a second service, and that one is going to give us the current weather data for that specific location. All right, so that's what we're going to build. Let's get started.